Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the PIKETS Bidet attachment for toilet. You can get this product on Amazon for about $29. Check out the link in the description. The package includes everything you need to install the bidet attachment. My first impression is very positive. It looks like a good quality product. The bidet attachment has a quick release function, which is very convenient. The instruction manual tells you exactly how to install and how to operate the bidet attachment. Installing the device is very easy and takes about 15 minutes. The discs are adjustable to center the bidet nozzle position. Make sure that the nozzle position is close to the rim of the toilet. Before installing the T-adapter, prepare it with a rubber washer and Teflon tape. Install the T-adapter to the toilet tank and connect the hose. The bidet attachment is very easy to use and works absolutely fantastic. It also saves a lot of money on toilet paper. I tested this product for about 6 months and I love it. It works way better than expected and I never want to go back to using only toilet paper. I also bought one for my parents, and everyone in my family loves this product. So if you are looking for an easy and affordable way to upgrade your toilet and start living a much cleaner life, I would recommend the PIKETS Bidet attachment for toilet. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.